When you're developing a web application, there is the possibility of working together, that you're working together with other people. That would make sense. So I want to show you kind of an Openshift, how you can add collaborators and start using each other's domains for different things. It might make sense only to have one guy controlling the production environment, and he will do the pushes, he will do everything to the production environment, just to avoid people starting to mess up production. But I still want to show you how you can actually do collaboration across domains. So I'll go into my domain here. Elbilder is my name, and here I can edit members or add members. And I want to add a new user to mine. And I want to add the guy called Lars at simplefitness.dk. That's another domain I have, another email I have. And I can administrator, this is kind of how much can I actually do in here, and I want to be an administrator. So I'll save this, and now he also has access to this domain. And how do I actually use this? How do I, for instance, do a port forward against this domain? That's what I want to show you now. So let's just shut down RoboMongo for a while, because I don't need him for this. So what I want to do first is, I showed you earlier that you could actually do a -L to actually do a login. So I'm going to change now, instead of being Lars Bilde talking to the course planner, I'm going to change the command prompt into being Lars at SimpleFitness who is talking. So I'm going to say RHC setup -L as login. I want to log in as another user. Lars at simplefitness.dk. I'll execute this because now I want to change into being this user instead. The account is Openshift, and luckily, no, that actually wasn't even a token. So I'll just add my password here, and I'll log in. It takes a second, and now it says that for that one I've actually used, for the domain called Bilde, I've used all of my gears, 3 of 3. But I actually have another domain, and that's the one called Elbilde, right? So I have 2 domains now. So how do I actually now log into the domain of Elbilde and port forward to that domain? So I'll write RHC port-forward, and now I need something else. I need to actually add the namespace. So where do I actually want to go? And in my case, the namespace is Elbilde. Now Elbilde is coming right here. This guy is unique. Nobody can take that domain except me. So that's why that's giving you a unique path. And then I of course also need to name the application, and in my case the application name would be Course Planner. And I can see that right here, Course Planner. So let's see if that's enough. Hopefully it'll port forward. It's looking for domains, for the ports, and there we go. Now I actually have access to the domain of another guy's namespace. So that's all it takes. Now that you can of course do that for the SSH and all the other commands, the tails, just like I showed you guys earlier. So that's how you collaborate across domains. See you in the next lessons.